Hello, how are you all? I'm going to show you how to enable video messages within the WhatsApp application. In the beginning, we had this option whereby pressing once the microphone icon itself became a little camera to give us the option to record a message as a video and send it as we see here. Then after another update, to activate this option we had to go to settings, go to the chats option, and at the bottom we will find the option to enable video messages, but in this case we no longer have this option. So if what you want to do is to return to have this way of being able to send videos as if it were the voice message, simply what we are going to do is the following. If we pay attention to the icon next to the microphone, just by holding it down for a few seconds we will be able to send a message in the form of a video. For example, we do it like this. And there we could see that now there is a new way to send video messages as if they were audio messages. So well, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.